Today I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown of our fast start system here. I built this system up for the guys over at Innovative Wing. They're building two hot rod airplanes, one with a PT-6 and one with a TPE-331 engine. I'm not sure which aircraft they're going to stick this system into, but yeah, I'll let them figure that out. I'll just give you a rundown of it. So of course, for the test today, 200 amp starter generator is what we always use. Okay, as you can see, we got A, Echo, if we can, come on now, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. Of course, 200 amp starter generator. 24 volt batteries, of course. It's what we're going to be using. This is our test set, of course. Pretty much what you'd see on the pilot's panel. Master, motor, which is a parallel start. Start, which is boosted start. That's the fast start switch right there. Generator, ground power, and air conditioning. Yes, they have air conditioning on this aircraft, so we'll be testing that. Don't worry about any of this stuff right here. That's for us. Okay, so let's fire it up, okay? Let's see what else I can tell you here before we go live. We put 80 amp fuses in, if you can focus on that camera. Put 80 amp fuses in. I might throw in some hundreds for them guys. This goes out to the main distribution bus for avionics and whatnot. So I put 80s. They may want 100s, 150s. You can go up to 200 amps on these guys, but I'll let them make the call. Okay? So let's make it hot. All right. All right, so as you can see, about 25.3 volts. It's good on the bus. All right, let's motor it up and cycle through that. This is just going to tie the batteries in parallel. Normal start, nothing special. She's spinning away there. Okay, call that good. Let it spool back down. And we'll get ready to do the boosted start. While we're waiting for it to spin back down, these are current limiters. So if there's ever a short or anything like that, these are designed to blow out and save some cables from smoking. Okay. All right, let's do the boosted start now. Here we go. Find our boost switch. There she goes. Call it good. All right, let's turn it on. Okay, let's generate some power. Turn on the gen. Generator's on, and put some RPM on it. Sorry for shaking the camera. Gen fail, drops out. Alright, that's good. About charging the batteries right now at 28 volts. If the guys over at Innovative Wing, they want a higher voltage, just turn this pot right here. Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Yep, you can just set the voltage wherever you'd like, just by adjusting this pot. Alright, I'm going to put it right at 28 volts and lock that in. And that's where I'm going to keep it. If the boys want to change it, that's up to them. Alright, now like I said, this system's set up for air conditioning, so let's simulate an air conditioning load. Alright, turn on the air conditioner, and that turned on our load bank. So let's say I want to put 100 amps on it. There you go. So now we're loading the system with 100 amps. And like I say, starter generator is rated for 200 amps, so ain't much there. Okay. Let's throw 150 amps on it. 50 more amps. So now we're loading the bus down with 150 amps. So far so good. Let's throw 75 more amps. Let's go 175. So let's 25 amps. Okay. So now we have a total of 175 amps on the bus. And the system's checking out great. No sparks, no smoke. We don't want to see any sparks or smoke. That's the last thing I need to see today. All right, let's take some load off. Okay, let's drop off 100. Okay. Take 50 off, take off another 50. And drop 25. Great. Now there's really no load simulated on the system except general load of the relays, which ain't much. So, all right, I think this is a good rundown of the system on everything, how it all works and functionality of it. I'll shut her down here, and if you'd like, I'll walk through it again, if you don't mind. Okay, so let's turn down our RPM. Okay, sorry for shaking the camera. Okay. Turn off our load bank here, which air conditioning, turn that off. Turn off the generator. Leave the master on. Okay. Let that spool back down. And we'll go through this again. Alright. Just gave you a little overall view of how I have it all hooked up here. Alright. She's spooled down. Let's just do a motor start. Again, that's just parallel, tying the batteries in parallel. Okay. That feature is checking out great. Alright. Let that spool back down, and then we'll do the boosted start. And we'll go from there. I don't know why it's getting dark on this camera. I don't like it. There we go. Must be some kind of autofocus crap. Alright, let's do a boosted start now. And here we go. Great. Turn it on. Alright, let's turn on the generator. And bring up some RPM. There we go. Awesome. Generating away. Pumping both batteries. They're tied in parallel right now, so we're charging them both at 28 volts. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This system's working great. Up here, just so you know, we got our start. This is start, and this is BAT1 minus and ground. I have my grounds right here. Okay. Just to do it again, we'll simulate an air conditioning load, and let's just throw 100 amps. Okay, 50 and 50, 100 amps. There's 50 amps off, and another 50 off. Okay. I think this was a good overall view of everything. Well, I'm going to let you guys go from here and pretty much just wrap it up and let you all go. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. This system's on its way to Innovative Wing. Hope the guys really enjoy it. Have a good day.